Sunrise Philippines 26F, the 10 operations of Illuminati. The Sunriser. Friends, people of the world, the 109 million Filipinos of Ferians, the 7.8 billion people around the world, maayong pagsidlak ning kabuntagon, the Sunrisers, mga magsisidlak sa tibok kalibutan. Our main discussion for today, the 10 operations of Illuminati affecting the Philippines and the Philippine global role. So, unsa man kining napulo ka global operations of Illuminati. And let's reflect first our Sunrise of Philippines at 26 A, B, C, D, E, F. All discussions on Illuminati. We are now on Sunrise Philippines 26F, the 10 global operations of Illuminati. Take note, St. Paul has already warned the globe of the world. Si San Pablo mihatag nag warning sa tibok kalibutan sa iyang gipatik sa iyang ikaduhang sulat ngadto sa taga Corinto chapter 11 verse 14. This is the warning of St. Paul or the second letter to the Corinthians 11 verse 14. Nagaingon si San Pablo, og kini dili katingad-an kay bisan si Satanas makausab sa iyang kaugalingon sama sa anghel sa kahayag. So, nag-ingon si San Pablo, well, no wonder even Satan can disguise himself to look like an angel of light. Ug busa mi padayon si San Pablo pagingon, busa dili katingad-an kun ang iyang mga alagad usab magtakuban pagkaalagad sa pagkamatarong. So it is no great thing if his servants disguise themselves to look like servants of righteousness. So mao kini. Now, the world will be misled. Ang tibok kalibutan, mailawom na unya, nagatuo ang kalibutan nga kining mga servants of Illuminati spreading the bodily principles as against the divine principles ruling the whole world. Ang tibok kalibutan nagatuo nga mao na kini ang dalan, ang kamatuoran ug ang kinabuhi, but yet would lead to the death. And so, unsa man kining specifics nga mga gisite sa mga researchers ug uban pa nga nakakuha ug nakatugkad unsa man gayud ang operations nining Illuminati that misled the whole world. Take note, as founded in Bavaria, Germany, and implemented in 1776 in the United States of America, leading the group of Illuminati. So, miingon usab si San Pablo, don't worry, miingon si San Pablo, busa ang ilang dangatan tukma sa ilang binuhatan. In the end, sa katapusan, they will get exactly what their actions deserve. So kung sa man ang ilang mga binuhatan, at the end, they will get what they deserve. Ingon niya na ang mahitabo. Because there is time for all. Ecclesiastes chapter 3, verses 1 to 11. God is the owner, the controller of time. Mihatag man og panahon alang mamalandong ang magkatibok kalibutan kung unsa there's time tagag panahon. Okay, you Illuminati, you can operate in the world But take note, there is time for the assessment and the evaluation, the ending period. Now, we are in 2020. The end times eschatology, the time of assessment. And now we have to present. But 10 global operations of Illuminati. We have to accredit several researchers nga guided by the Holy Spirit. And they have one of them, ilahang nakuha, the 10 craziest conspiracy theories about the Illuminati, taking the credit to Watts Muho. For details, please refer to Watts Muho. We have here the discussion.
Again, we publish new videos every day, so be sure to subscribe for more great content. For this list, we're looking at the most out there beliefs about how the Illuminati is behind, well, basically everything.
So nobody should be bored right now because this is a historic time.
Number 10. The Rothschild family founded them. In the 1760s, Meyer Rothschild established a banking business that was eventually handed down through his descendants and generated what was at one point the largest private fortune in the world. Some conspiracy theorists claim he also helped found the Illuminati, a clandestine society in Bavaria that was banned and dissolved in the late 18th century.
The name means
Okay. Unsay number 10 out of descending system of discussion. Okay? The 10 global operations of Illuminati. Number 10. The Rothschild family founded them. Take note, it was in the year 1776 in Bavaria, Germany. Kining Germany, grabe dinhi ang mga founders. The founder of communism was Karl Marx with Friedrich Engels in Germany. Hitler in Germany. So mga ideas, ang mga ideas, dinhi kani, mga founders of the global ideas originated in Germany. And so this Illuminati was originated in Germany in 1776. Unya kini karon is more on economic operations o kinsa man usab ang utok alang sa ining foundation of Illuminati. Dinhigi padayag. The Rothschild family founded them. So bottom line on economic support para mulampos kining dugukan sa Illuminati, it was the Rothschild family. Question, unsa ba kining Rothschild family? What is the role ti buok kalibutan? In 1760s, Meyer Rothschild, kini siya mo'y founder, established a banking business. Sumihimo kini og banking business whole world. 1760s, Meyer Rothschild. Ug ang ilang mga kaliwat mag-unay ni sila ug minyo kay dili sila gusto nga dunay outsider nga maka-come-in sa control of the Rothschild family whole world on economic operations. And take note, Saint Matthew has already warned the world in Matthew chapter 6 verse 24 nga dili ka makaulipon tali sa Dios ug sa salapi. So nining puntuha, magpili ang tao. Musunod ba? Should the people of the world follow God's plan, God's will, and God's laws? Or musunod ba ang kalibutan sa iyang paghigugma sa salapi, making the money as his God, the dictates of money as his God? This is a battle of principles ruling the world. And so, unsa bay nahitabo? In 1776, kini si Meyer Rothschild originated ni ini Jewish kini, Hudiyo. Kaya the Jewish bankers ruled the world o kining Jesuit Pope Francis is a Jesuit priest. So niining puntuha, Jewish bankers ruled the world. So Mayer Rothschild responsable according niining mga researches and discoveries nga mao'y punuan pagpalampos niining Illuminati. Welcome to the Philippines. Unsabay action ni President Digong Rodrigo Duterte when he assumed the presidency of the Republic of the Philippines. Iya ba kining giabiba? Take note, when President Duterte became the president, doon na Nostradamus prediction that this man would become the president of the Philippines. What should be? Unsa may role ni President Duterte? Nagkinahanglan pag-rescue the Philippines. There is a need for a most courageous president to fight nga dunay baruganan. And so, when President Duterte assumed power, he has vowed to eradicate all traces of Rothschild financial criminality from the Philippines, announcing that he will no longer respond to pressure or financial blackmail from the U.S. government or Rothschild-controlled global banking institutions. Unsa may gipadayag ni President Duterte? President Duterte kicks Rothschilds out of Philippines. Gipatiran ang mga gamot ang Rothschilds dinhi gikan sa Pilipinas. Nakuha ba nato pagpatid sa Rothschilds roots dinhi sa Pilipinas out America, United States of America? Kay nakita ni President Duterte unsay effect sa economic operations because who controls the mastermind on the economic operations of the world is the Rothschild family, controlling the banking system, connecting the IMF, International Monetary Fund, the World Bank, and all the banking systems of the world gikumot sa Rothschild family, affecting the Philippines, thus making the 109 million Filipinos blind. Mga buta ang mga Filipinos as to the real story, the wealth to the nations owned by the Filipino nation. There is a mystery behind, but we shall have a separate discussion relative to the economic operations, the banking system of the whole world affecting the Philippine wealth to the nations. And so the performance of Duterte out Rothschilds. Kay kamu mo'y nagkakontrolar sa dagan sa ekonomiya sa kalibutan affecting the Philippines. Gitakuban ang Pilipinas, gitikakob ang ekonomiya. We have a reserved discussion on the Rothschilds. Naon sa man naghihimo niini kay 10 operations pa lang sa Illuminati. And so the international monetary mingon si Duterte, when he says he will eradicate all traces of Rothschild financial criminality from his country, there is no question he will follow through despite the inherent risks. Bisan pagresgo sa pangagamhanan ni President Duterte ngayang patiran ang Rothschilds financial criminality dinhi sa Pilipinas and even affecting the whole world. Wa siya'y pagtuda bisan risko sa ihang pangatungdanan. The International Monetary Fund and the US-dominated World Bank. Kining International Monetary Fund o ingon man usab ang World Bank as dominated by the United States of America, connecting Illuminati New World Order, have been major players in the global economic landscape ever since their creation in 1944. So niining explanation of the economic situation whole world can be rooted down to the Rothschild family. Connect the World Bank, connect the International Monetary Fund, connect the United States of America. And these international banking organizations, which are privately controlled by the notorious Rothschild banking family, first pressure nations to deregulate their financial sector, allowing private banks to loot their economies. Nakita ni President Duterte nga kining pangkalibutan international banking organizations nga mo'y nagakontrol sa nagkadaiyang mga banking unsay the dictate nining gitawag og notorious Rothschild banking family, unsay dictate sa World Bank, dictate sa IMF, dictate sa tanang mga bangkos kalibutan, as warned by St. Matthew chapter 6 verse 24, nga kun ang kwarta himuong Dios sa katawhan, magpakahilom ang kalibutan, musunod tungod sa pagsaludo sa gahom sa kwarta. Take note, this Illuminati is the power of the battle of making money, the God of the people around the world. So kung mahimong Diyos ang kwarta sa tibok kalibutan, takuban ang katarungan ug ang kamatuoran. And this is what really happening in the world. And so uproot, do, kaya 30, ito talaga. And so, unsa may nahitabo, assignment, separate discussion on economic system, separate discussion on the banking system. Take note, 85 ka mga banks, global banks of the world, as we have previously discussed, kabahin na sa wealth of nations sa Pilipinas. Ang mitakob niini nga dili mabertuhan ang wealth of nations of the Philippines kining Rothschilds family. Mao'y nagkontrol sa kalibutan. Kay kung moabot ang panahon nga ang wealth of nations, ang bahandi sa Pilipinas, maunay mugawas sa tibok kalibutan, tikakob kining Rothschild family, controlling the banking system around the world. And time would come, because God is the owner of time. God controls time. Ecclesiastes chapter 3, verse 1 to 11. And take note, Rothschild family, part of the Illuminati system operations of the world. Ikasiyam, nga global operation of the Illuminati. They orchestrated Watergate wall, street water wall. So this is through with the street genius Mark Gorton. Dili kita mo taas discuss ni ini. Let's have a summary of the 10 global operations. Number 8, chemtrails are there doing. Unsa man kining chemtrails are there doing? Kini nahinumdum kita, they dunay aircraft engines control the weather. Ang Illuminati dili lamang ginamit ang kwarta, banking system. It moves forward operations, orchestrating, parang orkestra. Watergate wall. O niya, gawas pa niya na move to the weather system. Unsay weather, aircraft engines. Kaya kabahin na sa weather mga paghitabo sa kalibutan. Doon na pa'y issue ang nahitabo dito sa Tacloban, Yolanda. Kini madiskubrihan na unya. The mga mysteries behind related to the weather condition of the world or weather of not. The Illuminati could dictate the weather. Ini mo'y mga assignments. Kaya, number 8 operations, chemtrails are there doing. with aircraft engines and controlling the weather. Number 7, kini ari na kita sa mga bata. Unsa may nahitabo sa mga kabatanunan, the youth of today. Disney film contains secret messages from them, corrupting world youth through sexual and occult messages, brainwash subjects on sophisticated mind control program, and even Little Mermaid 1989 portrays giant golden penis. Unsay nahitabo? So, banking system, money, works. Number 9, igo na ang water wall or Watergate wall. Then, ikawalo, moving to the river, the space, aircraft engines, move scientific. So kaya mga scientists move ngadto na sa river. Because this is reason and knowledge. Knowledge. Kaya on this scientific system, the weather move pa. Number 7, para maigo ang mga batanon, to close, to damage, to ruin the future. Kaya destroy the divine plan. Destroy the divine laws, disobey. Destroy the moral laws. To destroy the moral laws, here comes the Disney film, which contain the secret messages from them. Unsay mga secret messages nining Disney film ngadto address to the youth? It corrupts the world youth through sexual and occult messages. Kaya ang mga batanon gikan nining mga salida downward to the internet system Disney, igo gipalupad, gipabuto ang sexual and occult messages. And so na brainwash ang labi na sa mga kabatanunan on sophisticated mind control program. In other words, these Illuminati is controlling the mind of the people. This 7.8 billion people around the world, the target is controlling the mind. Controlling the mind of the people with the power of money, with the banking system around the world. Controlling the mind of the people pagrahuna sa katauhan, pinagi sa weather condition, penetrating. And then controlling pa rin sa minds of the youth, pinagi sa mga Disney film. And even kining gitawag og Little Mermaid 1989, usa sa mga specific examples nagportray, nagpasudayag nining gitawag giant golden penis. So nining puntuha, moral values destroyed, destroying the moral law. Diha usab sa mga aircraft kining nga weather condition, gigo na sad ang law of nature. And so mga intellectuals, this is a product of the knowledge, take note, minus wisdom. Kahibalo apan walay kaalam, kay ang kaalam gikan sa Diyos. And so bright men are dangerous. Doon na nagingon niya na, in the absence of wisdom. And so number 6, gawas pa niini, move outside of the planet Earth. Ug unsa man, there is a 1 septillion number of planets around the world. And pila ba ka mga galaxies around the world. So nining puntuha, milupad ang Illuminati, it's not only within this planet Earth. Kung muihap kita sa mga planet, muingon kita 1,000, 1 million, 1,000 times 1 billion, 1,000 times 1 million is 1 billion, 1 billion times 1,000, 1 trillion, 1 trillion times 1,000, 1 trillion, 1 trillion times 1,000, 1 quadrillion times 1,000, 1 quintillion times 1,000, 1 sextillion times 1,000, 1 septillion. So 1 septillion number of planets around the world. They move it outside of the planet Earth. And this is through what they call as they are extraterrestrial reptilian humanoids. Unsa ba kini? By the power of the human knowledge, take note, warned ni Saint Paul, 2 Corinthians chapter 11, verse 14. They are among us, the blood-drinking, flesh-eating, shape-shifting, extraterrestrial, reptilian humanoids with only one objective in their cold-blooded little heads: to enslave the human race. Dinhi gipadayag, part of the Illuminati, nga ang pagkontrol sa tibuok kalibutan, it's not only by the power and the forces within this earth, but it penetrates from the other planets ruling this world. In other words, the power of God, the creator of the universe, ang gahom sa Diyos, nga mo'y nagbuhat sa tibuok universo, the universe comprising of super Virgo galaxies. Niya galaxies comprising niining mga local group of galaxies, and the local group of galaxies comprising apil na niini ang Milky Way, and Milky Way comprising sa mga solar systems within this of which we belong to our own solar system. Niining puntuha karon, ang gahom sa Diyos compete with the power of the leaf power. Kaya with the Illuminati move even outside scientific system. So mga kahinungdan grupo sa mga atheist sa way pagtuo sa Diyos. And take note, there is an ending of the drama. There is an ending of the drama. Because Malakias chapter 4 verse 1 to 4 nagaingon, pagsidlak, the sunrise, ang pagsidlak, mingon si Malakias, moabot ang panahon nga sunugon daw dagami ang mga dautan. In Psalm 91 verse 8, makita na unya nato, makita sa mga witnesses of righteousness, the falling down, pagkahugno ni ining mga gahum sa kadautan. And so, that's the point. Because it will triumph. Moabot gayud, muhari gayud ning kalibutan ang gingarian sa Diyos. The millennial kingdom will reign on earth. That's on Ecclesiastes chapter 3 verse 1 to 11, Revelation 11 verse 15, Revelation 20 verses 1 to 10. Musugot kag sa dili, the downfall of Illuminati will come to an end. Muabot ka na. And so, giyon sa pa, that's number 6, downward. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, and number 5. While number 6, they are extraterrestrial reptilian humanoids. Number 5, they run the entertainment industry. Kini? They run the entertainment industry. Asa ang entertainment industry, movie industry, television, social media, mass media. Kaya nga ang mga actors, actresses, destroying the sanctity of the sex. Vice ganda, destroying uban pang mga distractions on the sanctity of sex, promoting LGBT, etc. Entertainment industry. Ang mga movie portraying lust, diverting, destroying moral values, o dili man ang lust kung kaulag, niya nang iportray ang anger, gubat, guban pa. That's teaching the people, pagtuo tudlo labi na sa kabatan-unan unsa ang mga dautan nga mga buhat sa kalibutan using the formula of entertainment industry. Salamat na lang nga doon na pa'y napili nga mga entertainers. We have si Gary Valenciano nga gitagalan ang kinabuhi but a miraculous life. Naapay mapili nga mga entertainers, singers, naapay mapili, naapay mga actors gihapon, naapay gihapon mapili. So nining puntuha, dominating the entertainment industry, it's not only in the Philippines but worldwide, controlling that entertainment industry, movie, media, etc. That's under the Illuminati system. But time would come for its end. And so on sa pinahitabo dito sa United States of America. When President John F. Kennedy became the President of the United States of America, a devoted Catholic, very active talaga, he denounced the operations of Illuminati. Unya sa diha ngayang gidenounce ang operations of Illuminati. Unsabay na hitabo. Number 4 finding sa mga researchers. Nagaingon, they assassinated John F. Kennedy. Gipatay si John F. Kennedy. Based on the research, nakita. There are 3 possible angles but the most ilang nagtanaw nga human gidenounce ni John F. Kennedy the operations of the Illuminati. Out of the map. Si John F. Kennedy. But take note, God controls time. So if that happened, number 4, and then number 3, unsa ba? Ang mga scientists, ilahasad nga gitanaw, tinuod ba gayud ng United States of America? Number 3, about na kini sa landing of the moon. Gitanaw sab nila that number 3 operation of Illuminati. Unsa ba? They faked the moon landing. Apollo 13, 1995. Matud pa, they faked the moon landing. Unsa ba di ay ang natabo? Dili ba gipasundayag sa tibok kalibutan nga ang moon was discovered and landed by the US power? But accordingly, through the Illuminati, it was a fake. Subject na kada ni ining halawom nga mga discovery sa pangkalibutan. And so take note, daghan pang mga panghitabo sa kalibutan nga angay i-discovery. The Generation X 1965 to 1982. Generation Y na tao sa 1983 to the year 2000. Generation Z nga na tao sa year 2001 downward hangtod karon. This Generation X, Generation Y, Generation Z, kini mao nay mo stand up against whatever is the operation of the Illuminati that enslaves the whole world. And so, operation number 2, niyadtong September 11, unsabay na hitabo. September 11, the World Trade Center tragic event was made by Illuminati. Kadtong World Trade Center nga giigo Kuba, they discovered it was an act of the Illuminati. But the number 1, unsa man ang number 1 nga act of the Illuminati? This is the number 1. They constitute a new world order. New world order. So kining new world order, this is the bottom line in the foundation of the United States of America. In other words, in summary sa mga operations of the whole world governmental enforcement, the dream of the United States of America, the New World Order, mao ang paghimo niining gitawag og one world government. And so they have controlled, of course, nakuha nila ang United Nations Organization. Question, with the new presidency of President Joe Biden, of course, may contradict pa si President Trump as to the presidency of the United States of America. As a referee, muabot ba ang panahon that the Philippine nation, this country, the Philippines, would stand up amidst sa mga panghitabo sa United States of America? The target is the world government. Take note. Angay natong palandungon. This one world government, dugay na kining giplano, timan ikinig. Gisugdan ang one world government plan during the Babylonian Empire thousands of years ago, before na-destroy ang language. There was an original language, the Adamic language, during that period. And then, tungod silang one world government dream. Take note, one world government is God's plan. But if the one world government is minus God, that's Satan's plan. God's plan for a one world government, that's God's kingdom. Iha ka na nga plano. Apan ang devil si Satanas, gustong mo ilog niya ng one world government of God, gamon ka ng one world government of the devil. And the way is minus God. So doon ay one world government gahum sa money-mindedness. One world government gahum sa body-mindedness. One world government power of the worldliness gahum sa makalibutan minus God. And so these principles dominated, institutionalized by the Illuminati founded in the United States of America. So take note, nining puntuha, panahon pa kana sa Babylonian. And because naghimo sila og tower for the one world government and they do not want God to rule them. And so, God punished them. Nahitabo, bungkag, wa madayon ang Tower of Babel, pinaagi sa different languages, wa magkasinabot sila. Second, ang Persian Empire, Persia. Ang Persia mao kana ang Babylonia centered kana sa Iraq, Mesopotamia, old name niya na the city of Babel didto sa Mesopotamia, ang ngalan karon is Iraq. So nabuntog ang Babylonia sa Persia, and that Persia is the old name of Iran. That's all on Asia. And so one world government gyapon sa Persia. Wa gyapon minus God. Wa gyapon tumpag. Ang Persian Empire nalumpag sa Greek Empire, Greek Empire. Kaya through Alexander the Great, and so nahitabo, gusto ang Greek Empire, one world government, minus God. Daghag mga Diyos dito sa Greek, several gods. Ang Greek, ang nahitabo, minus God. Lumpag ka na, wa mo tugot ang Diyos. And so ang Greek Empire, gilumpag sa Roman Empire. Here comes the Roman Empire from Italy. Niadtong puntuha ang Roman Empire minus God. Dili ka na Kristiyanos. Niadtong panahuna. Hanggang nalumpag ang Greek Empire by the Roman Empire. And so, ang Roman Empire wants to rule around the world for the one world government. Wa gyapon motugot ang Dios, lumpag ang Roman Empire. And in fact, that Roman Empire was converted into Christianity, kaya nahimong one gitawag og Roman Catholic Church. So the governmental powers na lumpag. Instead, ang Roman Empire will establish the one world government. Ang that Roman Empire converted into the Roman Catholic Church, meaning the government na suyop sa simbahan. Upo sa Romans 1 chapter 8. Milukop sa kalibutan ang Christianity. Kaya kalibutan Catholic. So that's the religion. And so on sa nitabo, lumpag ang Roman Empire. Here comes, gusto na sad ang Russia nga one world government, and that's through communism. Karl Marx from Germany. Gisagup ka ng maong principle ni Karl Marx ngadto ni Lenin, unya Lenin to Stalin, Stalin hangtod na. Then what happened 1991 after 69 years nga rule dominance of communism, lumpag ang communism. The end of communism, because God does not want that Russia o USSR, Union of Soviet Socialist Republics, USSR, nga may rule sa kalibutan through communism. Lumpag ang communism. United States of America started in 1776, the time when Illuminati was founded in Bavaria, Germany, and the principles of Illuminati adopted in the United States of America originated by the 13 colonies. Niyadtong puntuha ilang gidraft ang Declaration of Independence o niya gibottom line ang maong prinsipyo sa Illuminati, gisud ang Novus Ordo Seclorum o niya kining triangular. In God we trust. Kaya the warning of St. Paul in 2 Corinthians chapter 11 verse 14. Take note nga even Satan makahimo siya nga anghel sa kahayag. Kaya nga the Holy Trinity, the formula, God the Father, God the Son, God the Holy Spirit, triangular, gisud kana sa maong lugo. Unya na mislead ang kalibutan, gayatuko na nga kana iya sa Dios. But the actions and operations, the bodily mindedness, money na himo kining indoctrinated with the Rothschild controlling the banking system around the world, dollar. Kaya nga nahimong ang kwarta gipakadiyos sa tibok kalibutan, maoy mahitabo tibok kalibutan. And so, unsa ba ang dagan niini? This time is the time of reflections. There is time for all. Dunay panahon ang tanan. O kay dunay panahon ang tanan. Now is the time for the Philippines to stand. The Philippines to move forward. Unya ipadayag sa Pilipinas ang divine plan on earth. The Philippines to stand for the implementation of the divine plan, divine will, and divine laws. Nining puntuha, the Trinitarian, inseparable laws. Ang divine law, moral law, law of nature to be substantiated in the human positive law in the Congress of the Philippines. We hope for the Philippine nation to stand. We hope the executive department of the national government, Republic of the Philippines, headed by President Rodrigo Rua Duterte. We hope and pray that the legislative department of the Philippines, headed sa Senate, headed by a Senator Tito Soto. Then the the Congress, the lower house, muamputa. Nga dili kini madutlan sa gahom sa Illuminati. There is time for all. The righteous to stand. Dili na magpa-ulipon sa Illuminati, even the Pope, registered spokesman of Illuminati. With that same-sex marriage, nakapenetrate ang Illuminati even in the church. Refer to the previous discussions. And sunining puntuha karon, ipadayag, and the judicial department, we hope and pray there's the 17 regions of the Philippines strengthened in preparation for the federal government. Once ma-establish ang federal government in the Philippines, then that's the 5th stage in the evolution of state. After that federal government, federal state moabot na unya, the sixth stage in the evolution of state, that would be the continental state. And once the continental state of Asia founded with Philippines as the nucleus, mahitabo na unya ang ikapito nga evolution of state, and that would be the world state, and that world state is nucleus and founded, centered in the Republic of the Philippines. The one world government will be realized. That should be the divine world government. Ang gobyerno sa kalibutan nga balaan o sagrado, and the purpose, buhi nga mga santos, the triumphant church, and that is termed by St. John, the millennial kingdom, and that's in Revelation chapter 20, verses 1 to 10. Ug matuman ang giingon ni St. John, Revelation 11:15, nga kining kalibutan mahimo ng gingharian sa Dios. That's the divine world government, gobyerno sa Dios, ug dili gobyerno sa gingharian sa dautan with Illuminati. Because God is the owner of time, the controller of time, daghang mga padayag nga magmadaugon ang gingharian sa Dios niining kalibutan. And so, let's all pray. Niining puntuha atong giyampo nga magmalampuson kitang tanan. Santos, Santos, Santos.
Sidlaki ang among salambutan. Sidlaki ang dalan namong gilaktan. Ug sidlaki ang tibuok kalibutan. Amen.
He works in ways we cannot see. He will make a way for me. He will be my guide. Hold me closely to his side. With love and strength for each new day, he will make a way. He will make a way. Oh, God will make a way where there seems to be no way. He works in ways we cannot see. He will make a way for me. He will be my guide. Hold me closely to his side. With love and strength for each new day.
Santos, Santos, Santos.